Hello friends, on this YouTube channel you can learn English subject. So today we are going to learn opposite words. So let's start the opposite words. Awake, asleep, combine, separate, heavy, light, junior, senior, natural, artificial, thick, thin, pretty, ugly, deep, shallow, wide, narrow, serious, funny, sunny, cloudy, total, partial, cheap, expensive, safe, dangerous, useful, useless, remember, forget, here, there, top, bottom, unity, division, smooth, rough, sit, stand, sister, brother, tight, loose, public, private, visitor, host, single, married, not yet, ready, many, few, interesting, boring, begin, finish, invisible, visible, left, right, move, stop, mid, dry, north, south, alive, dead, push, pull, clever, stupid, inside, outside, short, tall, sweet, sour, regret, satisfaction, child, adult, increase, reduce, man, woman, full, empty, ask, reply, on, off, let, forbid, borrow, lend, dim, bright, powerful, weak, difficult, easy, melt, freeze, regular, irregular, ally, enemy, brief, long, include, exclude. Thanks for watching.